Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun video. I have this snack box from Try the World. So Try the World, it's like going on vacation, but from your living room. They send you this really cute box full of goodies from all around the world. Now I did open it up already. I'm sorry, but I had to take a peek. But let me show you all the fun things inside. If you know me, I love to travel, and one of the things I especially love is to just go to the grocery store and find snacks from wherever I am. I feel like, I don't know, it's like how you can experience culture through their snacks. So right off the bat, as soon as I opened it up, I saw this Santo Domingo coffee. This is from the Dominican Republic. I have been there, so this is just gonna like take me right back. I'm actually going there in April, so this is super fun. It's like reminding me that my trip is coming soon. There's also, from Mexico, these totis, donitas, and I'm not gonna lie, I might have already tried them. They are chili lime and they are so good. So I am already a fan. Another item that really caught my eye, these Euro waffles. It has, looks like hazelnut cream and it's like a wafery cookie. These look absolutely delicious. Right up my alley. I'm really excited for these. And I feel like this is like such a generous size. Like that is like a full size. I think I thought that some of these would be more like snack size, but a lot of these are pretty large. Then we have jalips. These are from Puerto Rico. I'm really excited about these. Oh wait, no, they say made in Turkey. I don't know why I thought it was Puerto Rico. So made in Turkey, really excited for these. Oh, this is what, okay. These Choose Me Tangy Turtle Gummies. These are from Puerto Rico. These look so good. It says crazy shapes. An explosive blast of bomb flavor. These are so fun. These would be fun too if you, for like a kid maybe, as long as you know they don't have allergies. There's a bunch of things by this Bagley brand. So here's some cookies maybe with like a strawberry inside and these chocolinas. And these, I believe, are from Argentina. These look so good, delicious cookies. And another thing from Argentina is this vaquita. And this looks like, I think it's gum, maybe? And it says tableta de dulce de leche. So dulce de leche is kind of almost like a caramel flavor. So that looks really good. I also really love the look of these lychee candies. These are from Japan, and I really can't wait to bust into these. We have some Panda soft black licorice. That sounds so good. Made in Finland. We have a Banana Boost authentic Brazilian banana snack. This is so cute. That sounds so good. We do have some seaweed. Where is this from? Product of Korea. And finally, Pocosville guava nectar. This did come bubble wrapped for safety. That sounds so delicious. I love guava. And this is from, let's see, where are you from? Egypt. Product of Egypt. And then it also came with this little coupon if you love the Santo Domingo coffee and a wine voucher. So this is so fun. So I definitely would recommend this. This would make such a fun gift. I would love to have this sent to me. It is such a fun idea, especially right now, holiday time. If you don't know what to get someone, everybody loves snacks, and it's so fun, the idea of trying snacks from all around the world. I think that's amazing. And they have 20% off right now. So it is a great time to buy either as a gift or gift yourself and have some fun, or maybe order one now. And this could be a fun family activity for the holidays. If you're all sitting around, you need something fun to do, like try all these little snacks, why not? Or even put them in people's stockings. I think that would be so unique and different and could be a really fun gift idea. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for Try the World. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to Try the World for sending me this really awesome box. I'm so excited to eat all my snacks, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.